Enable your CD. Creating a system image. If your computer is already slow, then the system image will copy the exact state of the computer as is. When you restore the system image, your computer will still be slow. If you have a virus or more at the system image creation time, the viruses will be transferred onto the image as well. When you'll restore the computer from that system image, then you'll restore the viruses too. Therefore, it's definitely useful to create system images when your computer is running at peak performance. It's like saving a game. You only want to save at the best time possible. You have to start with a clean computer to create a system image, then wait for a month or two and make a new system image. It is safe to have two system images in parallel at all times. If you have a good running computer, that is the proper time to create a system image. In between system images, you can create system restore points to undo problems that might occur from software installation or uninstallation. Moreover, is it always safe to have created the recovery DVDs in the first few days from purchasing the computer. To create a system image, you go to Start, All Programs, Maintenance, Backup and Restore to create a system image. So let's do just that. I'm going to go to All Programs, Maintenance, Backup and Restore, and we're going to select Create a System Image. Here we have three options to create a system image: on a hard disk, on one or more DVDs, or on a network location. For a hard disk, you need to use an external hard drive that connects to your computer through a USB. You can find those at any electronics store or computer shop like Radio Shack, Best Buy, and what have you. Here we're gonna select the hard disk and we're gonna create a system image on a hard disk. This should preferably be a USB hard drive that is external, and you can also back up other important data. So without further ado, let's just click next, and we're gonna back up the C drive and the system reserved. So we're gonna start backup. Here the system asks you to create a system repair disk, which can be used in conjunction with the system restore image. So if you want to restore your image now, you have to use the system repair disk. We already have created a system repair disk and we don't have to create this again. So we have created the system image. Now we can create another system image, or I'm going to show you how to create another system image. If you want to create the system image on DVD drives, you have to keep in mind the hard drive space, or the space that the system occupies. So as you can see, our C drive, or our operating system, takes up 9 gigabytes. This will amount to 3 DVDs. So the more space you occupy, the more DVDs you have to create. We are going to create a system image on a network location. So we're going to select the server, and we select the server by its IP address or by the computer name. Now we're going to browse. Actually, no. We're going to provide the credentials for the network location, which has to be an administrator that can access the shared folders. I'm going to browse, and we're going to provide the credentials again to authenticate against that same computer. I'm going to select the folder, and we're going to select OK. As we already seen this, we're going to leave them as they are. We're just going to click next and start backup.